Good morning. Welcome to your Tuesday, September 26th daily operations weather briefing. Currently across the region, we still have high pressure off to our north with Category 1 Hurricane Maria still churning off the southeastern coast and slowly moving northward this morning as the high pressure system to the north continues to impede its northward progress. We are starting to see some breezier conditions over the local area and some areas of spotty drizzle and mist also across the local area as well, and pretty much be experiencing those conditions as we go throughout the day today. And as we head towards the later portions this afternoon, we can't rule out the chance that we do see a light rain shower move through the area. But overall, really just going to be dealing with low ceilings and some breezier conditions today, as we could be flirting with that 30 mile per hour mark, possibly put us into a wind advisory later or after the noontime hour. So as we zoom in over the local area, we do have, again, winds picking up out of the northeast. We are starting to see some gusts in the upper teens to around 20 knots and expecting those winds to increase throughout this morning. Should start to see sustained winds at about northeasterly at 13 to 18 knots, gusting to possibly 25 knots. Again, that'll be after 12 p.m. this afternoon. And then temperatures hovering in the mid-70s, all thanks to this low-level cloud cover, as we'll have ceilings hovering between 700 and 1,000 feet, it looks like, as we go throughout the day today, again, with just some areas of drizzle and possible light rain. Currently across the area, or currently at Wallops, as of 8 a.m., we had a broken layer at 700 feet, overcast at 1,000 with a northeasterly wind at 14 knots and temperature of 71 degrees with a relative humidity of 97%. Looking at the risk chart for the next 24 hours, winds are going to be the main concern, again with a fairly likely scenario that we will be seeing winds of around 25 knots or greater after 12 p.m. this afternoon. That'll continue through about 6 p.m. this evening, and then we'll see a slight decrease in those winds northeasterly at 11 to 16 knots, gusting to 20 knots. Again, a slight chance of a shower after 4 p.m. this afternoon, with just a slight chance of some drizzle. Those chances are probably about a 10 to 15% chance of some drizzle from now until about 4 o'clock this afternoon, and then about a 25% chance for a shower as we head past 4 p.m. And then rain chances will diminish after 8 o'clock this evening, and then pick back up again after 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, again with another slight chance of some shower activity moving through the area, but it will be fairly light, as we're only expecting maybe 100 to a couple hundredths of an inch of rainfall possible. And again, winds will be increasing tomorrow, especially during the later portions of the morning into the afternoon, as that looks like to be our highest winds, as we could possibly see wind gusts as high as 35 miles per hour associated with what should be Tropical Storm Maria as it begins to make its right turn and push farther out to sea and really not impact our area. So as we look at the next couple days here, Wednesday we'll have mostly cloudy to overcast conditions and breezy with a slight chance of a scattered light rain shower with a high of 78 degrees. Again, wind gusts could hit around 35 miles per hour for our max wind tomorrow. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy to overcast, remaining breezy with a slight chance of a lingering shower with a low of 69 degrees. And then for Thursday, partly to mostly sunny and breezy with a high of 80 degrees. So we look at Hurricane Maria right now, is still churning off the southeastern coastline and moving very slowly off to the north. It is a weak Category 1 hurricane right now with, again, sustained winds of 75 miles per hour. Has filled in slightly compared to yesterday with a minimum central pressure of 970 millibars and still moving at about 7 miles per hour off to the north. National Hurricane Center forecast, again, showing Hurricane Maria weakening to a tropical storm by tomorrow morning. This is really all thanks to encountering some higher shear from an upper level low over the southeastern United States, as well as some cooler water that was churned up by Hurricane Jose, and those factors will continue to weaken Maria as we go throughout the day today and into tomorrow. And then a frontal system will be moving over the eastern United States Wednesday into Thursday, on Thursday, and we'll pick Maria up and push it farther out to sea and limiting any impacts to us. Really just going to be experiencing those higher winds, again topping out at about 35 miles per hour. We'll also have some higher tides and higher rip currents as well, leading to some beach erosion, but really nothing to really be that much concerned about. And has been the case for the past several days, the models continue to be in very good agreement in terms of the track of Maria, again making that sharp right turn tomorrow into Thursday. Well, that'll conclude the daily operations weather briefing for today. We'll be back at 10 a.m. for an extended outlook. Have a great day.